Brihadaranyak. Unveiling the profound mysteries of self and cosmos in the Shukla Yajur Veda. The Brihadaranyak, an integral part of the Shukla Yajur Veda, presents a profound journey into the realms of philosophy, spirituality, and metaphysical exploration. This article delves into the depths of the Brihadaranyak, exploring its composition, themes, esoteric insights, and its timeless significance as a guide to understanding the interconnectedness of the self and the universe. Brief overview. Nestled within the Shukla Yajur Veda, the Brihadaranyak beckons seekers to venture into the mystical forest of philosophical contemplation. This collection of ancient teachings offers insights into the nature of reality, the human experience, and the quest for self-realization, weaving together the threads of metaphysical exploration. Composition and structure. The Brihadaranyak is structured into 6 chapters, each known as an Aranyak. These chapters delve into the nature of the cosmos, the self, rituals, and the interconnectedness of all existence. The teachings are presented in the form of dialogues between sages and seekers, fostering a dynamic exploration of profound truths. Philosophical inquiry. At its core, the Brihadaranyak engages in deep philosophical inquiry. It contemplates the nature of reality, the relationship between the individual soul, Atman, and the cosmic reality, Brahman, and the underlying unity that connects all beings. The dialogues serve as platforms for unraveling the intricate tapestry of existence. Metaphysical concepts. The Aranyak introduces metaphysical concepts that transcend the material realm. It delves into the nature of consciousness, the concept of neti neti, not this, not that, and the exploration of reality beyond the limitations of words and concepts. Through these teachings, seekers are guided towards recognizing the limitless nature of the self. Self-realization and liberation. The teachings of the Brihadaranyak emphasize self-realization as the ultimate goal of human existence. It guides individuals towards recognizing their true nature and transcending the confines of ego and desires. The Aranyak's insights pave the way for liberation, moksha, where the individual merges with the cosmic consciousness. Contemporary relevance. In the contemporary world, marked by material pursuits, the Brihadaranyak remains a timeless guide to self-discovery and spiritual awakening. Its teachings offer insights into the nature of existence, the purpose of life, and the interconnectedness of all beings. The quest for self-realization and unity with the cosmos continues to resonate with seekers across cultures. Conclusion. The Brihadaranyak stands as a luminous beacon within the Shukla Yajur Veda, illuminating the path to self-realization and cosmic understanding. Its teachings echo across millennia, inviting us to explore the depths of philosophy, metaphysics, and the nature of reality. By immersing ourselves in its teachings, we embark on a profound journey towards uncovering the timeless truths that connect the self to the universe, bridging the gap between the finite and the infinite.